Agile Analytics is making its second consecutive appearance in the CRN Fast 50 after finishing 8th in 2020. Founded by Iman Efrakari in 2018, the Microsoft Power BI specialist had a simple mission: to make companies more data-driven. For Agile Analytics, this meant solving a number of common problems with data analytics projects that traditionally take too long and have not delivered the desired result.
We solve all this by providing pre-built solutions that can deploy in days or weeks rather than months to reduce what we call time to insights. These are based on industry-based practices and that can be customized to each company's unique needs. They save our customers a lot of money, and our customers are very happy to see the result in a very quickly and cost-effective way.
This year, Efrakari strengthened the leadership team, bringing on Matthew Salmanzadeh as Director and Head of Operations. He said the recent growth led the company to evolve its structure, process, policy, and staff responsibilities.
We have a lot more structure. We have processes around key things, key activities, events. Systems have kind of been implemented now as well that automate some of those key actions and activities. So obviously enables us to actually focus on the more value-add components.
He added that the biggest area of focus for the company in recent months has been government.
Both at the state and the federal level, lots of different customers in different industries within that government space, and lots of different, topics to deal with. But obviously that for us was number one focus, to keep maintaining that great relationship with both state and federal government customers. In some cases, it was actually maintaining some of our key customer relationships, and in other cases was actually bringing on new government customers and kind of evolving that relationship further.
The second area the company focused on was the finance industry.
Finance, both at a kind of big four level and a few smaller finance players as well. So that was a big strategic shift for us, was actually to do a lot more in that space. And finance also included some government finance organizations as well. So again, just building out that existing strength that we had with the government sector, but in a different space within the actual financial services area.
The third area of focus was retail, given the recent boom in e-commerce.
Both again at the national level and at the international level. So food chains, retail businesses that dealt with clothing, sport, that kind of thing. So that for us was another growth area and another focus for us. And so much so that we ended up actually building out a set of accelerators in that space, just because of the knowledge and expertise that we were kind of building up in that space.
Building on the success of 2020, this year Agile Analytics has expanded beyond its base in Sydney to cover major centres in Australia and New Zealand. And Efrakari said this is just the beginning.
Now we have team members in Sydney, Adelaide, Melbourne, Brisbane, Auckland, and a business entity that is operational in the US. Now I see a big gap in the market to introduce a specialist AI ML consultancy in the Microsoft space. Well, there are a number of large companies who do 100 other things, and they also provide AI ML services. And there are some companies who claim to be experts in this field, but we all know about the hype in the market. So with my experience, previous company who just won AWS Partner of the Year award for the second time in data analytics and machine learning, I'm planning to do the same in the Microsoft space. So watch this space.
When looking at the next stages of the company's growth, Salmanzadeh said that expansion was not without its challenges.
People is a key challenge for us, is how do we actually attract and retain the best talent. And part of it is also how do we grow that talent as well. So, for us, it's a key focus is actually, finding specialist people in the field, in the domain, and actually integrating them with the wider team and, showcasing their individual unique talents and actually taking that knowledge base and kind of transferring it across the business and the team. So that's really, really important for us, is obviously that, we don't want to be a team of one. We want to be a team of many.
While this is not a unique problem, Efrakari said the recognition from the CRN Fast 50 had made a sizable contribution in raising the company's profile.
Last year, when we ranked number 8 in CRN Fast 50, I wasn't expecting this award to give us such visibility in the market. We received many contacts from companies who wanted to work with us as a client, partner, or even for some M&A conversations. So again, we are absolutely grateful for this. And I believe this is a reflection of hard work and dedication of my team. They go above and beyond to deliver value to our customers. And as I said last year, customer obsession is in our DNA.